The Instagram algorithm is very changed. About Instagram algorithm, look at this reel. Recently, the Instagram has uploaded a reel.
Hi everyone, I'm Carly from Instagram, here to teach you about how to grow with Reels. The most effective way to grow on Instagram is to consistently create engaging Reels, as Reels are the best way to reach new audiences. Our research shows that creators with the highest follower growth rates produce on average more than 10 Reels per month. That means you should focus on driving authentic engagement within your community with relatable, digestible content. One of the most important factors in reaching people is how often your audience engages with your content. Through shares, comments, and likes. A helpful way to share relatable content is coming up with different ideas and experimenting with what could be engaging for people within your specific niche, or doubling down on new ideas and figuring out what works. Another idea is to make sure to hook people in the first 3 seconds of your reel to capture their attention and prevent them from scrolling away. You also want to make sure you're uploading the highest possible resolution video because video quality matters. Lastly, we recommend using trending audio to help you reach new audiences. Instagram considers the popularity of trends on Reels to determine what content we show to people. Remember that it's important to make your own Reels, your own unique, fresh content, instead of simply resharing content made by other creators. That's all for now.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more informational video. Okay, bye.